Hello friends, so today in this video, well, I got some news for you. Yes, right now here it's almost the afternoon and it's almost the time, and there will be just a few more days left, or just many more days left until our new house is completed, and we will be living in it. Yes, this rented house will be like another person's house while we move into that new house. Yes. No, well, I love my old house. Now we have to shift our new house just a few more days later. I don't know how many more days I have to wait until it's finished. Now, that is the news for you all. Yes, I'm going to move in my house. It's been 6 years right now here. 6 years living in here since I was here. And well, look at the results of the past 6 years. Yes, this wall that you see, yes, it's a little bit curved, but that's okay. It can be fixed. And well, there's a lot of dirty marks on the walls, and there's this very huge crack coming from that way to all the way there. So it's an old house, so we will move to our new house. I hope it doesn't give that crack on the wall. Yeah. And well, everything has to change, of course. Everything changes, of course. Yes, the older they get, the more older they will look. Yes. And my mom has gone to do some prayers at a temple. Should I say a mandir, which is a small temple, not huge. And she has retired right now here. Say hello. Yes, she went with this basket full of these fruits, coconuts, banana.
প্রসাদ ready করছে.
Yes, and these, they are sweet. Sorry, I forgot the name. What is it?
নকুলদানা.
So they're called nokuldanas, which are these sweet little balls which are very curvy, and it is very sweet. Yes, and this looks like a chocolate, but no, it's just another fruit. And this is a banana. That's a little stain, but that's okay. Well, that's the news I have to share you guys. Okay, now let's see how our house looks like for the past 6 years. Yes. Now, as you can see, this is the big room. Yes, it's a very big room with you. It was supposed to be the dining room, but no. It just looks like it just had a fridge. It's just the fridge here and a filter on a stool right here. And this handle like that. Oh my god, it's very heavy. Yes. Now for the library. Yes. So this is the library. Yes, and you can see this huge box which used to have that speaker that is in my study room, and this very old board which used to be in another place, but it's now right here. And so many shelves and so many books, I don't know which one to pick. And what's this old fan doing here? And lots of paperwork here. That's the base of the fan right here is separated. Yes. I don't know if it even works. Okay, now lastly for this room. Yes, you can see this very huge crack here. Yes, it's starting to peel off, but that's okay. We'll move these to our new house. We ignore this ugly crack right here. And I think these are just there's like dust were not the speakers that were in that box that I showed you in the library. This is the speaker. It is very huge. I don't know why my dad bought them because it had no use now. Also, where is the mic even where in the world is the mic even? Sorry. Where is the mic? Well, we lost the mic, I think. Sad. That's the computer. Oh, wow. Money. Woohoo. A lucky day. Okay, sorry. The board, the table here, which used to be in another place. It used to be Manik's. It used to be in Manik's house. Yeah, but now it's ours. Here's this book stand, a bed which is full of books, still less than the library, a printer and the keyboard and also the laptop. Oops, sorry. Yes. Now, the kitchen looks like this. Still looks new, but some only patterns. But you might see some mistakes here, right? Like this upside down tile. A tile here is the wall tile which is upside down and doesn't align. Same for this upside down. And each tile looks the same except those two. Yes, it looks like you're standing in a mirror. It looks like you're standing in a mirror with one tile with another copies. That's the gas oven, which is from the Micronova Supreme company. This basket full of the utensils. This is a pot. It's a little warm. And this mini tiffin box. Yes, like I showed you what I bought from Rasamela. This is the tiffin. Yes. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching my video. Bye.